Hi guys, my name's Max and I'm one of the 3 co-owning brothers from Max Oliver Men's Hair. And today I'm going to do a video about how to maintain your curly hair. I've seen a lot of videos out there which are all very good. It's kind of what sparked me to start doing the videos really. We've got 12 members of staff and we'll all be doing videos. We've all got very different hair, so we feel in lockdown we'll do something positive and share our advice. A lot of the videos out there at the minute have, the guys in the videos have what I would call David Beckham hair. Perfect hair, easy to style, perfect hairlines, which I definitely do not. I'm definitely receding in there, as you can see. Unfortunately, I've got very thick hair still. It's very, very frizzy. I've really only just woken up. So I'm going to jump in the shower. And when I get out, I'll jump back on and I'll show you how I maintain this curly mop every day. Right, so I've just got out of the shower. I've towel dried the back and sides of my hair and left the top really quite wet still. For my hair, because it's so thick, I'm going to use the Label M curl cream. It's quite a heavy product, which I need on my hair, otherwise it will sit out here. It really is almost like a conditioner in itself, but it just gives it a real kind of crisp, takes that frizz out of it. And I find if I didn't have a product like this, I wouldn't be able to wear my hair curly. I used to straighten it, do all sorts to try and get rid of the curls, but since I found the Label M curl cream, I've kind of learned how to love my curly hair. I'm going to show you how much I use the curl cream. I like to use a bit too much is better than not enough. Again, if you can see that, it's quite a bit. Simply just rub it into my hands, start from the back, working it towards the front. Once again, because I've got such thick hair, really got to make sure you get it through there. As you can see, like I said earlier in the video, receding slightly in that corner. That's cool. And I like to push it all back first of all, pull the sides forward and just let it drop. And I'm going to let it dry naturally in that position, and I'll show you later on when it's dried naturally what I then do to get it into the shape I like. You can use a diffuser. There'll be a picture shown on the screen because I don't have one with me. All a diffuser does is basically speed up the natural drying process, which we would use in salon kind of on our clients. But I'm going to go downstairs, have some breakfast, get a few bits done, and when it's kind of, I'd say 70% dry, I'll then show you what I do to then get it into the shape I want, and then I'll leave it to dry fully. Cool, see you in a bit. Right, so I've left this about an hour now, and it's pretty dry. As you can see, it still looks kind of wet. It's a bit flat on my head. You may like that look, but I like it a bit more voluminous. So all I'm going to do is without running my hands through it, just kind of pinch and just break it up a little bit, just to loosen that curl. And sometimes I just run my hands through the front there. You can just really just create that shape you like. I'm kind of going for a messy curly look. Not be too precise. Sometimes I don't really, if I forget to do it before I go out, don't really look in the mirror. It just kind of get to know where and feel the parts that I want to sit out a bit more. Again, you may want to leave it a bit flatter, but I just prefer to just break it up and kind of create your own shape really. But don't run your hands through it too much, because it will go fluffy and frizzy, especially with my hair type. It might be a bit more forgiving if you've got finer hair, softer hair. Again, the curl cream, it won't make your hair curly, but it certainly helps to encourage the curl. And for me, the main reason I use it is to take that frizziness and give my hair a bit of weight. Otherwise it would be, like I said earlier, it would be all over the place. And of course the curl foam, for those of you with finer, lighter hair, that's a great product. We use it on a lot of our customers, and they absolutely love it. It's a really good seller. If you'd like to see any more videos on different hair types, certain styles, please leave some comments below, and we're looking to getting some more videos done. We've got 12 guys that work with us, all from barbering, hairdressing backgrounds, so we've got a lot of knowledge, and we'd like to share it with you guys. Peace.